Alright, in this next clip, what we're going to do is make a white chocolate and caramel latte. This latte is delicious. It's a very sweet latte. It's also really good if you actually just make it without the espresso, if that's something that you would want to try. It's like a white hot chocolate with caramel in it. So I would definitely suggest trying that. Alright, we're steaming the milk right now. We're going to use the white chocolate and the caramel as our flavors. They complement each other very well because even though they're both sweet, neither one of the tastes dominates the other. So they mix very well. Alright, you want the steam wand? Starting with 1 pump of this, 1 pump of caramel. You don't want to overdo it on the flavor because of the sweetness. It'll just make it way too sweet, especially if you're trying to get that coffee taste. We're going to do a shot of espresso. Stir this together. Don't leave any of that white mocha down on the bottom. Depending on what kind of white mocha you use will depend on whether it sticks to the bottom or not. These Monins though are pretty good with not sticking. We're not going to use any whipped cream on this drink because it is very sweet.